One of the biggest challenges my students face isn't grammar or vocabulary, it's speaking without fear. So today, I want to share a few simple ways to overcome those common speaking blocks in English. First, accept your level. You don't need perfect English to express yourself. Right now, with the English you have, you can already connect with others. That's what counts. Second, slow down. Speak more slowly than you think you need to. It gives you time to think, reduces mistakes, and makes you easier to understand. Third, choose private lessons over group classes, especially in the beginning. A one on one setting gives you space to speak without pressure and build confidence at your own pace. Next, keep it simple. You don't need long, complex sentences. Short, clear phrases are just as effective and much easier to manage. It also helps to learn common conversation patterns. Phrases like, I'm not sure, let me think, or could you repeat that, come up all the time. Practice them until they feel natural. You can also mentally rehearse conversations while walking, cooking, or riding the train. Imagine greeting someone, ordering food, or asking a question. It trains your brain in a low stress way. And very important, forget about being perfect. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. It's completely okay. What matters is being understood. Always remember, perfection is the enemy of good. Also, try to let go of past bad experiences. Maybe a time you froze or felt embarrassed. That moment is gone. It doesn't define you. And finally, remember that people aren't focused on your mistakes. They're listening to your message, not your grammar. You're not on stage, you're having a conversation. These simple shifts in mindset and practice can completely change how you feel when speaking English.